We join you from Krishnanagar. What you're hearing at the back is Mahua Moitra. Not very far off is BJP candidate Amrita Roy. But the news viewers this evening is coming not from West Bengal but all the way from Haryana. And it has little to do with the Lok Sabha but everything to do with the state politics. It does seem, and that's the news that we are breaking, that the Haryana government could have gone in minority. The BJP government in Haryana could be in minority. The reason which is that 3 independent MLAs have withdrawn support from the BJP government. They have joined now with the Congress. The 3 independent MLAs support to the BJP. Now the Congress is demanding president's rule in the state. Bhupinder Singh Hooda demands president's rule in Haryana, claiming the BJP government has lost the magic number. Out of total 90 MLAs, I want to stress on that point, viewers. There are 90 MLA assembly in Haryana. There are 88 MLAs after 2 vacancies, while the BJP has the support of 43. Congress has 45 MLAs after 3 independents have withdrawn their support to the BJP. The BJP now has 40 MLAs, Congress has 30, JJP 10, Independent 6, INLD 1 and HLOPA each. 1 more independent MLA can withdraw support from the BJP. That's what our sources are telling us. The independents apparently not happy with the BJP government as they were not given cabinet berths. Only 1 independent MLA, Ranjit Chautala, was given a cabinet rank, who has now... All right, so that's the latest that we are getting in. Big jolt coming in for the Haryana government. The latest, the 3 independent MLAs, including Kundai MLA, Randhir Golan, Nilo Khedi MLA, Dharampal, Charkhi Dadri MLA, Somveer Sangwan, have all withdrawn their support to the ruling BJP, announcing support to the opposition Congress. 3 independent MLAs now have supported in a press conference the Congress with the support of Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda, who has now demanded president's rule in the state of Haryana. It's important to note you already have ML Khattar, who was an MLA who resigned because he's now going to stand for the Lok Sabha Assembly election in Qatar, which has further brought down the numbers for the Bharatiya Janata Party. All of that after 10 MLAs from the JJP withdrew support when the alliance between the JJP and the BJP broke. Listen in to all reactions.
प्रदेश के अंदर हालात मैं पहले ही बता रहा हूँ, पूर्णतः भाजपा के खिलाफ बन चुके हैं। प्रदेश में बदलाव निश्चित है और मैं तो ये भी कहूंगा कि ये सरकार अल्पमत में आ गई है। भाजपा सरकार अल्पमत में आ गई है। जो इन्होंने 48 विधायकों की लिस्ट दी थी, उसमें से कुछ विधायकों के तो इस्तीफे हुए हैं क्योंकि वो लोकसभा चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं, और कुछ निर्दलीय विधायकों ने आज भाजपा से समर्थन वापस लेकर कांग्रेस पार्टी को समर्थन देने का काम किया है। ऐसे में अल्पमत के विधायक को कोई नैतिक अधिकार नहीं है।
सर, कुछ विधायक जो आपके साथ फ्लोर पे खड़े थे, आज चर्चाएं हैं वो कहीं न कहीं दूसरे दल में हाथ मिला रहे हैं लोकसभा के लिए।
और देखिए, क्योंकि ये जानकारियाँ आई है मेरे पास भी, कहीं विधायकों की कुछ इच्छाएं होती हैं और हर व्यक्ति आज इच्छा के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है। शायद क्योंकि कांग्रेस आजकल इच्छाएं पूरी करने में लगी हुई है और लोग समझ रहे हैं, लोग सब जानते हैं कि किसकी इच्छा क्या है। क्योंकि कुछ लोगों को, जैसे कांग्रेस है, कांग्रेस को जनता की इच्छाओं से मतलब नहीं है, उनको तो अपनी इच्छाओं से मतलब है कि हमने अपनी इच्छाएं पूरी करनी है। कांग्रेस लगी हुई है उनकी इच्छाएं पूरी करने में और आगे तो जनता ने उनकी इच्छाएं पूरी करनी है।
Quickly cut across to my colleague Manjeet Sehgal, who's joining us live with all the updates coming in. Manjeet, it's a 90 assembly for Haryana, 90-seat assembly. Out of that, after the alliance with the JJP, the BJP was split. The BJP was afloat with the help of independents. 3 independent MLAs quitting the BJP, joining the Congress. Add to it an ML Khattar who's already stepped down from his seat because he's fighting a Lok Sabha election. Where does the number stand? Give us the numbers on how they stand. And is the BJP government now in minority in the state of Haryana?
Preeti, as you said, there is the Haryana has a total 90 seats, out of which there are 2 vacancies. There are 88 MLAs now. BJP has the support of 43 MLAs, and the Congress, after the 3 independent MLAs announced, withdrew the support to the Bharatiya Janata Party and announced their support to the Congress. The Congress opposition has now the support of 45 MLAs. So BJP is short of 1 MLA. It has now 43 MLAs. And sources are telling us that more MLAs can withdraw support to the Bharatiya Janata Party. Even if 1 MLA, independent MLA, withdraws support to Bharatiya Janata Party, it will come down to 42. That will be short by 2 MLAs. But as far as the threat to the Nayab Singh Saini government is concerned, Preeti, there was no immediate threat, as there was no session planned. The Lok Sabha elections were going on. That is why the opposition Congress and former Haryana Chief Minister Bhupender Singh Hooda has demanded imposition of presidential rule in Haryana.
No immediate threat because of Lok Sabha elections on Manjeet, but give us more details. The Congress now pushing for president's rule.
Yes, Bhupender Singh Hooda has now claimed that the Bharatiya Janata Party government in Haryana has lost the magic numbers, the mandate, and as the government has lost the mandate, there should be a position of the president's rule. The Bhupender Singh Hooda has also asked the Chief Minister Nayab Singh Saini to step down as the government has lost the mandate. Remember, Nayab Singh Saini himself is not a member of the state assembly. He's contesting the election. So there are 2 vacancies, I said. Ranjit Singh Chotala and Manohar Lal Khattar had resigned, so there were 2 vacancies. There are a total 88 MLAs in Haryana Assembly now, out of which BJP has the support of 43. Congress has got the support of 45 MLAs, as 3 independent MLAs announced their support to Congress today.
So 43 and 45, the numbers in favor of the Congress right now. What does that really mean? I want to bring in Maushmi into this conversation. Maushmi, what is also at play is engineering for state elections, which are by the end of this year. But coming at a time during the Lok Sabha elections, what is the game plan of the Congress now?
Preeti, this is a very precarious situation where, you have literally 5 years of BJP rule, and when it's nearing its end, the government is on the verge of collapse. So would you risk it to, in fact, stake claim to form the government?
I'm going to cut you. Maushmi, I apologize. I'm just coming in for a brief while. Joining me right now is Dipinder Hooda from the Congress Party. Dipinder Hooda, it does seem that you have the numbers right now. The Congress pushing for president's rule?
The BJP in Haryana has lost majority. Immediately after their alliance broke down, we had moved a no confidence motion. At that time, BJP had claimed support of 48 MLAs, but now 2 of the MLAs have resigned and 3 more MLAs have now extended, have withdrawn the support from the BJP and extended the support to the Congress party. So BJP has lost. BJP has lost majority in Haryana, and we demand immediate imposition of president's rule and dismissal of this government.
You demand immediate. How are you going to go about it, Dipinder Hooda? Have you approached the governor?
We will take whatever action necessary now. We are planning our course. It will be revealed in the next, in little more time.
दीपिंदर जी, अभी माइनॉरिटी में आ गई है जो भाजपा सरकार है, आप प्रेसिडेंट्स रूल की मांग कर रहे हैं, भाजपा कह रही है ये आपका एक षड्यंत्र है।
भाजपा की अल्पमत में सरकार आ गई है। पीछे जब इनका गठबंधन टूट गया था जेजेपी के साथ उस समय हमने अविश्वास प्रस्ताव हम लेके आए थे और वो अविश्वास प्रस्ताव पे के समय इन्होंने कहा था कि 48 विधायकों का हमें समर्थन प्राप्त है। उसके बाद से 2 इनके विधायकों ने इस्तीफा देके अपना लोकसभा चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं और 3 अभी विधायकों ने अपना समर्थन इस सरकार से वापस ले लिया है। तो ये अल्पमत में आ गई है सरकार और तुरंत हरियाणा के अंदर राष्ट्रपति शासन लागू होना चाहिए और इस सरकार को डिसमिस करना चाहिए, ऐसी हमारी मांग है। और आने वाले समय में हम जो करना होगा संवैधानिक जो हमें कदम बढ़ाने हैं वो हम बढ़ाएंगे।
दीपिंदर जी, अभी आपके पास जो 3 इंडिपेंडेंट एमएलएज हैं उन्होंने आपको समर्थन दिया है, क्या और भी एमएलएज हैं जो आपकी तरफ आ सकते हैं भाजपा से या जो और उनके साथ जुड़े?
बहुत से एमएलए और हमारी तरफ आ सकते हैं। आपने देखा होगा अभी बहुत से एमएलए ऐसे हैं जो किसी दल से संबंधित हैं लेकिन उनके परिजनों ने कांग्रेस को ज्वाइन किया है। तो समय आने पर और भी बहुत लोग हमारे साथ आएंगे। हेलो
दीपिंदर जी, अगला आपका क्या प्लान ऑफ एक्शन है? गवर्नर के पास जाएंगे? क्या रुख करेगी अब कांग्रेस? प्रेसिडेंट रूल की आपने डिमांड करी है।
जल्दी ही हम अपने सारी जो हमारा प्लान ऑफ एक्शन है वो आप सबके सामने रखेंगे, देश के सामने हम रखेंगे।
दीपिंदर जी, लोकसभा चुनाव अब है, उसके बाद स्टेट चुनाव है हरियाणा में, क्या इसका पूरा इम्पैक्ट उस पर भी पड़ेगा? क्योंकि भाजपा कह रही है एक लार्जर षड्यंत्र है जो आपने रचाया है।
ठीक है, सॉरी टेलीफोन आ रहा था इसलिए। हेलो,
बहुत शुक्रिया दीपिंदर जी, बहुत शुक्रिया कि आप हमसे जुड़े। Dipinder Hooda there speaking to us where he says they will do what it takes under the constitution to make sure that president's rule is established. There are Lok Sabha elections going on. Let's cut across right now to Maushmi, who's still with us. Maushmi, we spoke with Dipinder Hooda, very clear that he's saying that that the Congress enjoys support of more MLAs and over time there will be more who will be crossing sides from the BJP. This is a precarious time. The model code of conduct is at play. Is there a push for president's rule? All right, we don't have Maushmi. Let's cut across to Manjeet Sehgal, who's still with us. Manjeet, what is the BJP government saying right now, which has now come into minority? What is the first official reaction?
Well, Preeti, the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders have accused the Congress of hatching a conspiracy against the government, saying Congress was hell-bent on destroying the public mandate given to the Bharatiya Janata Party, which had proved the magic numbers when Nayab Singh Saini formed the government recently. It has secured the support of 6 independent MLAs, out of which only 3 have withdrawn the support. Others are still with the Bharatiya Janata Party. The magic number is 45. Bharatiya Janata Party has 43 MLAs at present. Sources also say that Bharatiya Janata Party was trying to placate the independent MLAs who are beefed with the Bharatiya Janata Party as they were not given the cabinet berths. Only one independent MLA, Ranjit Singh Chotala, who is now a party nominee from Hisar, was given a cabinet berth. He has now resigned. So there are 2 vacancies, and Bharatiya Janata Party has also launched its damage control. Leaders say there was no immediate threat to the Bharatiya Janata Party government. Everything is under control. That is what the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders are claiming.
All right, okay. So the BJP says all in control, but the clear factor is, viewers, the numbers are not in control. The numbers right now not on the side of the BJP. Maushmi, we just spoke to Dipinder Hooda. The Congress now claiming that the Haryana government is in minority and they're going to push for president rule. It's the model code of conduct. It's a precarious time. What are the options in front of the Congress?
Preeti, coincidentally, while you were speaking to Dipendra Hooda, Bhupendra Hooda was on line with me, and he just confirmed that, we will go to the people. This government should, in fact, resign on moral grounds. He said that they have no right to continue in governance because 10 MLAs left them earlier, and now 2 more gone. They are in minority. I asked him whether he would be pressing this to the governor. He said, we have already said that this government is in minority and there is no point as far as morality is considered that they should continue. Now, he was in a public meeting. I did want to take that phono on live, but he cut the call saying that I'm in a public meeting. Possibly later we can try that. But you know what the point that I was trying to bring in, that this is not the first time that...
What does he mean? My question is, what does he mean when he says he's going to go to the people? Is the Congress now going to push somewhere down the line that elections happen when Haryana votes?
Right, I don't think that they would want to walk into this mess as far as, taking the entire anti-incumbency, which they feel there is against the government on their head. So clearly they are treading very cautiously. Remember, even last time when they had broken up with JJP, I had asked Bhupendra Singh Hooda that, do you have the numbers? And you were there on the line with me, and Bhupendra Singh Hooda would not, commit on that one. They are in no mood to, in fact, say, yes, we have the numbers. On the other hand, they want to bring the BJP government on the mat, that the people gave you 5 years, you were unable to, in fact, continue like that. And in this situation, the governor should impose president's rule. That's the demand that they are pressing to the governor. He really clearly said that this government has lost moral ground to rule. It's in minority, and perhaps they would be demanding, elections would decide the fate of the BJP in future, and would ideally want that the election should have president rule should be imposed, and then this battle should be fought in front of the electorate.
In the People's Court. All right, so he wants to take it to the People's Court. He wants an election. We're going to try and get an understanding constitutionally, Maushmi, because we spoke to Dipendra Hooda and he says that they have the numbers. He's saying there are many MLAs from the BJP who are now wanting to come and skip over to the Congress. The question, Maushmi, is it possible somewhere down the line that elections be called at the same time of Lok Sabha elections, when Haryana goes to vote during Lok Sabha, if the government is in minority?
Preeti, that's a very important point to catch. You spoke to Dipendra Hooda and he said that we have the numbers. The question now is whether the Congress would want to bite the bullet.
Kamal, what's the latest that you are picking up from the BJP side? The government is in crisis. How deep do you think the crisis is?
Well, there seems to be a lot of posturing. There seems to be a lot of seesaw as far as political events are concerned. Now we're in the thick of elections as far as elections are concerned. And remember, the 6th phase, that's when Haryana goes to polls. But as far as the sources tell us, that in February, that's when Bhupendra Hooda had moved a no-confidence motion against the then Khattar Sarkar. And that is when there has to be a certain gap. They cannot go in for a no-confidence yet again before August. So that's what the sources have been indicating to us, that this does not mean that there would be any imminent threat as far as the BJP government in Haryana is concerned. But, as far as legalities are concerned and constitutional experts are concerned, the jury is still out there. But yes, in terms of numbers, yes, the BJP does seem to be falling behind. And remember, there's a change of guard. It's also Mr. Saini who's at the guard. And he's going to be fighting his election from Kurukshetra, while Manohar Lal Khattar is contesting from Karnal. So this is going to be a test of fire of sorts. And remember, there's also 10 years of anti-incumbency. It's also about the JJP who broke away. So a whole lot of things are in a flux in Haryana at this point of time. But as far as BJP is concerned, their leaders and the sources keep continuously telling us they seem very confident.